Tennessee snowstorm 2025 is just starting. We'll check in a little bit to see how much we get. We can get anywhere from 3 to 8 inches of snow today. Just starting to stick on the deck and the hot tub. Charming's first experience with the snow. He's sitting there under the roof. We'll check in with you in a few hours to see what we get. Okay, here's 3.5 hours later. There's probably 1.5 inches. Snow falling. It's supposed to fall all day, so it is just about covering the grass. All the stone surfaces are definitely covered. Several inches on the deck and the hot tub cover. And old Charming's first adventure in the snow. He did pretty good on his first walk. He was eager to come outside, but he doesn't go in the snow too much. Alright, we'll give you one when it's done. Morning, everyone. Said I'd give you an update after the storm. This is Saturday morning. Storm is done and over. Little flurries right now. We got maybe 4 inches of snow. Not what they were saying we were going to get. We had possible of getting up to 8. That didn't happen. We did get a little freezing rain last night. But for the most part, this will be gone in a couple of days. We're back in the 40s tomorrow. But Charming's getting used to it. He's walking on the deck. Oh, he's actually going to sit in it. So I'll put all this together in 3 little videos. Link them together. But that's our snowstorm for 2025. Have a great day.